Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings within the AFK Journey game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device and you can start or continue your journey with your squad and begin your battles. Now, if you are within a battle, you will need to wait for a while until you are able to access the menu options. So go ahead and finish your battle first, and after completing your battle, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right and then tap on the gear icon. From here, click on graphics and now you will see various different options. If you wish to lower your graphic settings, then choose 30 frames per second and make sure balanced is selected under power mode. Within the quality, you may choose standard or HD, but if you choose smooth, then it is best for lower end devices. The rest of the settings can be set to low and you will get a smooth enough game experience. If you have a high-end device, you can max out all of these settings by choosing 60 FPS, the performance mode, as well as the HD and the high presets for all other options. After choosing your desired settings, your game might restart, and after that is done, your graphic settings will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings within the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.